So what is the Female Invest app? Learn to invest your money. So let's just explore this app, double click to install it. And then, yeah, you can just open it up. And then this is an app about financial learning and community wrapped in one. Like you can just take courses and finish lesson, track your progress. So yeah, that's the app. So on a mission to close financial gender app. So this is like, yeah, the idea of that app is that, it's just wants to close the gap, gender gap between male investors and female investors. It's like this app is quite high in the charts in Scandinavian countries. Maybe it's also available worldwide, but yeah, so that's basically the idea. And then yeah, you can just create your account here, email, first name, last name, and then you can just create an account and start it out.